Hey everyone, we're back. So we've all been there. Got the toilet, right? Everyone's pretty much got a toilet, I hope. And you go to sit down and it's loose. Like, darn it, that's so annoying, right? Well, this kind of lid, I'm not even sure what brand this is, but I really like this brand. I wish I could tell you what it was. But anyway, you want to fix this problem. The reason why I like this, whatever, I don't even know if there's I don't see a brand name or anything on it. Oh wait, no, it's Kohler. Okay. So this is a Kohler toilet lid as well. The other one I have is not nearly as good as this one. And why this one? These are also the tops of the screw heads. So look under there. The screws they come out of there, and they got a washer and then a bolt or a nut. I'm sorry, that goes onto the bolt, and the top of the bolt head it's right there. So it's really solid. So problem most toilet seats have if it's loose like this is going to be one of those bolts. One of those nuts has loosened on the bolt. So, as it turns out, that is the case with this one over here. So, we're going to, here we go, there. We're going to just tighten it down, and that will fix the problem. So, find a, oh my goodness, socket. This needs a socket, and needs a longer length socket because the bolt's sticking out of their ways. Anyway, find the appropriate size socket for the nut, and simply tighten it down a respectable amount. So you can tighten it some and then test. Well, it doesn't seem to be moving at all now, but we'll give it another little turn there. And voila, this thing is not moving at all. It's snug, and that's why I like this toilet seat, this Kohler brand of toilet seat so much, because you can really snug this down to where it's not moving at all. I got another Kohler brand, came on a newer toilet. I think this is an older toilet, but it's got a newer toilet seat. At any rate, if you're looking for a toilet seat you can really snug down and stop moving, get one with a solid head for the bolt. Anyway, yeah, that's as simple as that. You just snug down one of the nuts on the bolt and fix it. It wasn't as simple with the other one. In fact, I wasn't able to get it to not wiggle at all, because of the design flaw that I see on the other one. But at any rate, that's how you fix the wobbly toilet seat. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope that helped. It was super quick, super easy. Have a great day out there, everyone.